Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Sportage, Kia Sorento guys, and you have a 2.4 GDI engine. You're trying to find where the fuel rail pressure sensor is located, how to remove it, how to replace it. Stay with us, we'll cover that today. There is one thing that you need to do, otherwise you can catch yourself and your car on fire, so make sure to stay until the end and we'll explain what we usually do. You don't need to remove your engine to do that, simply we have it out due to the fact that we'll be making hundreds of videos that can potentially save you thousands of dollars, and with the engine being out, we can guys clearly show you how to do that. So let's explain how to replace that fuel rail pressure sensor. So this should work on Kia Sportage and Kia Sorento different years. For instance, they start using it in early 2012 all the way to 2016-17 depending on the market guys. That's a 2.4 GDI engine. So before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage guys, we take them completely apart and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Also guys, if you want to buy parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Specifically, this is an engine out of a 2013 Kia that we'll be demonstrating on. And with that being said, okay, if you have a Kia guys or other vehicle, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have videos that have helped more than 120 million people guys, that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So looking at it guys right here, okay, we have the engine apart and that's your intake manifold. In order to get to the fuel rail, fuel injectors, fuel rail pressure sensor guys, okay, which is located right here, that's the fuel rail pressure sensor, that's the fuel rail, that's the fuel injectors on the back side. You need to remove your intake manifold. Yeah, if you wanna guys see how to remove and how to replace the intake manifold on Kia Sportage, Kia Sorento, the videos on our channel, check it out. You will guys need to work on your engine when the engine is completely cold. Let it sit overnight. You guys need to make sure you disconnect the car battery. If you don't disconnect the car battery, okay, you may have, you're very close to the starter, alternator, you can hit something here, cause a spark. What can happen guys? You can actually catch yourself, your car on fire. So disconnect the car battery. On these modern cars guys, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first and which one you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to the engine computer. You can also guys cause damage to the electrical system that can cost you thousands of dollars. We have a special video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Once you guys do that, make sure the engine is cold. Get fire extinguisher, get gloves, get guys eye protection. Again, the video for removing the intake manifold is on our channel. And this is your fuel rail pressure sensor. So if you look at it right here now, okay, you need to disconnect it, okay, by pressing here and releasing the cable. On the top, okay, we're going to hold the fuel rail with a wrench, okay, so we cannot twist and break it because sometimes those will be tight. And then we're going to go ahead and remove that sensor. Okay, and that was tight, that was the camera. You will leak some fuel out. That will be under enormous amount of pressure, so be prepared. And okay, always use gloves as well. So we're going to go ahead, just unscrew it now all the way. And if you need to purchase one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get a fuel rail pressure sensor if you need for your car. So looking at it right here guys, okay, this is the fuel rail pressure sensor. Okay, that's it. That's what detects how much pressure you have in the fuel rail. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find that information. If you want to see how to test fuel rail pressure sensor, we'll have the video on our main YouTube channel Auto Repair guys. Check it out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.